Snap first launched its spectacles in November 2016 and the excitement was enormous. But the hype soon died down and Snap was left with warehouses full of the things stuffed in boxes. Well, now they're trying again with version 2.
Our goal in version 1 was to get people familiar with having a camera on their face and using a camera, which I think we did pretty successfully. So we took all the feedback from version 1 and we've incorporated it into version 2, so we think the usability will improve in version 2 and therefore the awareness will improve.
Why are these ones going to be more expensive?
We just did a bunch of pricing surveys and we realized the value we thought we were bringing in this next generation product justified the price. I think that we made a change, we made an update to the app. I personally like the update to the app. Some people have different opinions and we listen to our customers, we evolve the app over time.